Hi my fashionistas, I want to thank dyhair777 for sponsoring this video and sending me their lace front blonde wig. This wig is 130% density, so it's not super full, especially at the bottom of this hair, but we're definitely going to fix that. I'm parting off the hair to begin the dyeing process. The first color I'm going in with is Cajun Spice by Adore. I will only be applying this color to the root of the hair and working it down partly to the middle of the hair shaft. The second color I will be using is in Paprika. This is a shade darker than the Cajun Spice color. I wanted dimension in this wig, and blending these colors out in this order went perfectly. For the ends of the hair, I hit it with Ruby Red. This is the brighter color out of the three. Adding a brighter color to the ends of this hair to this color layout brought out that deep red color, and personally this color combo is great if you're looking for a copper dark reddish look. We're going to process this color for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Wash with your preferred shampoo and conditioner, just make sure it doesn't strip the hair color at all. Then of course we're going to blow dry. Now let's cut this hair, please. I did a full layered cut, which added a lot of body and volume. All you have to do is lift and cut. This will add beautiful layers, especially in a short cut like this. When cutting, make sure you put the wig on first to make sure you're cutting the length you want. I'm going to shake out the wig to rid any leftover fallout from the cut. Going in with argan oil, I smoothed out the hair from any frizz and added needed shine to this hair because this hair texture can dry out and get way down very easily. So definitely make sure you use a lightweight oil or serum. After applying the oil, I set my flat iron to 400 degrees. I did not set it to 450 because this can burn the hair color off since this is a demi-permanent hair dye. Now look at this cut! Oh my god! To finish the style off, I sprayed with the ORS Nourishing Sheen Spray. Again, I sprayed very lightly to add a subtle sheen. This is how I set the hair the night before, so it will be ready for me to style the next morning. Now let's get into this. Get ready with me.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the let them take advantage. I was wildin', on record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.